This is the dust collection thing for the highly touted Harbor Freight orbital sander. It's useless. I got fed up with it in the middle of the night. I need to attach this thing to a vacuum. I wanted to bang something together that wasn't just tape. I used my shaper origin to carve up a couple pieces of scrap plywood. 40 minutes later, bibbidi bobbidi boobidi, we got a working prototype with friction fit. The times we live in. I laminated 3 pieces of 3/4 inch ply. I had to make a 13mm pocket cut on the first piece so it would interface with the sander. Then I made 2 inside cuts for the sander port on the first and the second piece. Then I combined an outside and a pocket cut on the last piece to interface with the dust collection hose. I'm not drilling into the sander here. There are these convenient little voids. I'm going to use these screws as a mechanical connection for now. I might iterate the design of this and then make a mold and then make this out of silicone or something like that. But this works for now for the hour that I invested in it.